Okay, so this video is to show you how to update your Fire Stick to 17.1 or 17.0. Kodi has announced that a lot of the websites are going secure, so HTTPS, and your older setups won't work with the secure. However, any version above 17.0 will work. So, to start with, the first thing you're going to need is to download this program right here, ES File Explorer. If you don't know how to do that, it's very easy. Go to Search, go to your far left, go up to Search, and then just type in ES. And then it comes up. So I already have it, but that's how you find it. ES File Explorer, File Manager. That's the main thing you want. Now, this is going to be very good for people that like to show home videos and or home pictures to a large group of people. You can use it on your TV. So it's kind of like a cloud service, or it accesses your cloud services. So if you have a cloud service like Google Drive or any one of the various ones, I use Google Drive, and that's where I put the app, and it's easy to do that way. So once you've got that downloaded onto your Fire Stick, the next thing you want to do is go to your phone, your computer, or whatever device you use to access the internet. I'll show you how to do it on my tablet. So the first thing you want to do is go to Kodi.tv. First, I gotta learn how to type. Once you're to Kodi.tv, go to Downloads, scroll down until you find your operating system. So I'm doing it on a tablet, and you're going to be doing it on the Fire TV. So you want to select Android. No matter if you're downloading on Windows or not, if you're using Windows to put it up onto the File Explorer, matters not. It's what you want to use it for. So you're using it for Fire TV Stick, so therefore you want to select Android. And you want the ARM 7A 32-bit. Download started. So while that's downloading, a couple of other things you want to be aware of. So when you do download it, 17.0 looks a whole lot different than what you're used to. There are videos out there how to do it, but I can show you how to put it to what you know. It's very easy. It's just a matter of changing the skin. But we're going to pause this for just a moment and let the file download. So now that the the APK is downloaded, I'm going to open it up. All right. So I'm going to go to my home screen. Go to my system or my settings. I want to find my downloads. So, go to storage. Maybe not. The heck am I? Hang on, I'm gonna find this. All right, so you go to settings, storage, other, to downloads. Then you find the 17.1 Krypton APK. Share, and now I want to save it to my drive right here, and done. It's saving it to my drive. So when that's done, you're good. Once that, then you don't need your computer, nor do you need your laptop, your tablet, or your laptop, or anything like that. So now, once you've downloaded the ES File Explorer, now you launch it. So when you initially launch it, it's going to ask you to sign in and all that stuff. So what you do is you just follow through with it and you sign in using the same login that you use for your Google Drive or whatever it may be. Your just login information, so it's pretty easy. So if you don't use the Google Drive, there are a couple other ones you can use. You can use Dropbox or whatever, but I'm going to use my Google Drive. Once you go on here, you'll come and find it. Lo and behold, there it is right there, 17.1. And all you do is you click on it. And it'll start downloading it from the Google Drive. Now it should overwrite everything that you have on your 16.1 or whatever system of Kodi you have, and it'll just overwrite it. So now you just go over to install. See right here, you want to go to install, and it requires no new permissions. Just go to install again, and it'll start downloading it for you. Now the app is installed. You just go and open it from here. And there's 17.1 Krypton. Now, when you open yours up, it won't look like this. I've already converted mine to look like it. So what I'm going to do is go over and I'm going to show you what yours will look like when you open it. Hang on, I'm going to change the skin. I'll be right back. Okay, so when you download 17.1, this is what it's going to look like. I'm not a fan of this at all. I don't like it. I like what I know. Maybe it's the old dog, new trick thing. But I like the way that it was set up before, and it's a skin called Confluence. So when you get here, all of this is the way your stuff's going to look. If you're happy with that, hey, go with it. If you want to play around with it, go ahead. Myself, I like the way things were. So what you do on the left hand side, you go all the way up to settings. Click on settings in the center. Then you have all of these other settings here. The one you're looking for is interface settings. Then you will want skin and go to the right to skin, and then below configure skin. See right up here, it says estuary. This is what this skin is called, and you want what's called confluence. So edit category network. Hang on, I'll be right back. So once you're here, it'll say skin, then you come over here, it says configure skin, blah, blah, blah. What you want to do is click this one that says skin. All right. Now, when you open this up, it's only going to say that you have estuary, this one right here, because it's the default for the 17 and above. What you want to do is highlight this area here, get more. And you're going to come down here and you can find all kinds of different skins. And like, again, you can play with it and do what you want. But for getting around, I find it easier just to use what you know, which is Confluence. Anyway, you find Confluence on there and download it. I've already got it on there, so it doesn't show up. So once you got that, you hit Confluence. And would you like to keep this change? Yes. Then you just back up, and all of a sudden, there you are. Everything that you know and I know. So a couple of things that have changed that I am not a fan of. However, if you want to watch this stuff, you got to update it to the 17.0. One of the things I don't like about it is for your add-ons, adding and removing them. The old idea of adding more from add-ons, if you go right to the bottom on 16.1 or before, your last thing is a puzzle piece that says get more, and that's where you can get more add-ons. On this, you can't do it. There's a different way of doing it. So some people may like it. I like the old way, but oh well, we got to change. You go to add-ons, and then you go into here, and you find Indigo. And then you go to add-on installer. This is also a very good maintenance tool. So you click on the maintenance tool if you want.
Unfortunately, that is not supported.
You can clear your cache and all that kind of stuff. But for getting add-ons, you go to the add-on installer and search by add-on author, featured add-ons, live TV add-ons, sports add-ons, yada, yada, yada. You'll find it and you'll do okay with it. All right. So that's all you got to do to make it look like what you are used to. I hope this video helped you. If not, shoot me a message on YouTube, and I'll see if I can help you or not. All right, talk to you later. Bye.